Hello guys, welcome to Piping, Welding and DT channel. So now my topic is about flow orientation of orifice flange with two connection. Okay, just remove this one first. Okay, now I will draw orifice flange. Okay, sorry about my drawing. Okay, let's say this is the flange, the orifice flange. Okay, that is my drawing. Okay, so the liquid for the flow orientation of orifice flange, if the two bulbs is going down here and another one is here, so it means this is liquid. Okay, the orientation of bulb here, liquid. Okay, the flow direction is going there. So we have also alternative. We have alternative for that. We will erase this one. The alternative here is two bulb is here. So this is also a liquid. This only alternative. Okay, but the standard is here. Okay, the bulb is 45 or 30 degrees. Okay, now if the line is gas, our bulb is from the top. Okay, so this is a gas and vapor. Okay, this is the standard, and we have also alternative for that. Just remove first this one. The alternative is two bulb like that. Okay, but the standard is 45 to 30 degrees or 30 degrees. So next is steam. So if the line is, this is a 90 degrees. Okay, so this is the standard of the steam. We have also alternative for that with the same from the top here. Okay, so this is the standard and this is the alternative. Okay, now from the cold operating, the standard and another one is here. Okay, this is for the cold operating. So this is for the horizontal line. So this is the horizontal line, and we have also a different from the vertical piping. Okay, so for the 30 degrees to 45 degrees is our standard. So this is for two connection. Now we have a four connection. For the four connection, From the liquid, we have a two bulb here also, and we have also a two bulb here. Okay, so this is the four connection. Okay, this is from the liquid. With the same for the two connection, just put the two. So this is for the gas and vapor from the top, 45 to 30 degrees. Okay, and another one bulb. So this is for the gas and vapor. Okay, now from the steam, we have 90 degrees here, two bulb, and another one's there. So uh, this is all standard, okay, adapted from the project instrumentation specification and standard. Okay, so I'm sorry for my presentation. I think it's not clear for you, but anyway, this important where is the connection of the bulb, which what is a liquid, what is a gas, and what is a steam, and what is the cold of rating. Okay, so that's all for now, guys, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day and see you in my next videos. Bye. Hi guys, welcome to Piping, Welding and DT channel. So this video is regarding the flow orientation for orifice plant. So all pipe fitter they are know what is the orifice. Okay. So this is the important to how to read the orientation, the flow orientation of the orifice. So this is the two connection. So first is liquid. So liquid, we have I will draw an orifice. Okay. So this is a liquid. So the position of our orientation for the liquid, this is a standard. Okay, this is a standard required standard, and this is our flow, and our the position of the valve is going. So this is okay. So this is the standard for the liquid. Okay, and we have also alternative. For the alternative, the position is from the side. Okay. So this is a 45. So we have a valve also here. So this is the alternative, and we have also alternative for the upward. Okay, for the vertical piping. So if this is our line, so this is our flange, orifice flange. Okay, so the position is from here. So this is vertical piping. So our flow is going up. Okay, so this is also for the liquid. Okay, now for the gas and vapor, so this is standard. So for the gas, So our position, the position of our valve is up. So this is also standard. Okay, this is for the gas. Okay, and for the alternative, so the alternative position is vertical. Okay, this is the alternative position, and the standard is 30 to 45 degrees. Okay, so this is important, 30 degrees and 45 degrees. Okay, for the tapping for the orifice flange. Okay, now we have also a stem. So the position of stem is from the side. So this is the position of stem. So this is also a standard. So we have alternative. So alternative is 30 45 degrees. So this is the alternative for the stem, and this is the standard, okay, for the stem. Okay. So next is for the cold operating. So we have also a cold operating. Okay, so our cold operating is 0 degrees to 45 degrees. So the position is with the same this. So this is the cold operating. Okay, 0 to 45, 0 to 45 degrees. Okay. So remember that our required is 30 degrees to 45 degrees. Okay, for the standard. So thanks for watching, guys, and just leave a comment if you have some comment from this video. Just leave it, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day, guys. See you next time. See you. Hello, guys, welcome to Piping, Welding and DT channel. So this video I will show you the types of plants with symbols. Okay, so the question is, what is types of plants? Okay, so just give me a 5 symbols and also the name of plants. Okay, so this question, and I will answer it also. This question is funny, right? Okay, so one is welding weld weld neck plants. Okay, so this is number one, weld neck plants. So this, and also these symbols I will draw, and so this is side view. Okay, so this is weld neck plants. Okay, now next is slip on. Number two, slip on plants. And also the drawing, I will draw here the slip on plants. this is a slip-on plants. My drawing is not good, but this is symbols of slip-on plants. Okay, next, number 3 is threaded plants. So for the drawing of these threaded plants, and they have a thread inside. Okay, so this is threaded plants. So we have now a tree. Number 4, lap joint plants. So for the lap joint plants, okay, so this is a lap joint plants. So we have now also number 5 is blind plants. Okay, so just circle and then just put a circle inside both circle. So this is blind plants. So we have now a 5 of types of plants and symbols. Next is we have also orifice plants. Okay, so for the drawing that orifice plants, let's say this is 5. If you see they have a hole on both sides, they have a threaded, and then they have also a bulb here. You see that this is the orifice plants. Okay, so that's all now for guys, and thanks for watching. I hope you have learned about these types of plants and symbols. um, Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.